In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in Google Sites. Even though Google Sites doesn't allow you to set an actual video file as a background, there's a simple workaround that gives you the same effect using an animated GIF. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so you can get a clean, looping video look on your site. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see your existing sites and the option to create new ones. If not, sign in so you can access your projects. Take a moment to locate the website where you want to add your video style background. Before we start editing the site, there's one important thing to understand. Google Sites doesn't support using video files like MP4s directly as backgrounds. Instead, the best way to get a video effect is to convert a short video clip into a high-quality GIF. This GIF can then be uploaded just like any other image and used as your header or section background. To do this, choose a short, visually interesting video. Keep it only a few seconds long so the file size stays manageable and it loops smoothly. Use an online tool or your preferred design software to convert that video into a GIF. When you export, aim for a good balance between quality and file size so your page still loads quickly. Once you've created and downloaded your GIF, you're ready to move back into Google Sites. Now, in Google Sites, click on the site you want to work on from your list of sites. This opens the editor view where you can make changes in real time and see how they'll appear to visitors. Move your mouse over the header area at the top of the page or over the specific section where you want the moving background to appear. You'll see some options appear, including an image icon. Click on the image drop down there. This is where you normally choose or change a static background image. From the drop-down, select Upload. This tells Google Sites you want to bring in a file from your device rather than choosing from the built-in gallery. Finally, navigate to the GIF file you created from your video, select it, and confirm the upload. Google Sites will apply that GIF as the background for the header or section you chose. Once it finishes loading, you should see your video-like animation playing in the background, giving your site a more dynamic and engaging look.